We're doing Whoops, that wasn't very good. We're doing standing time. Right, there we go. Whoa, you're not doing so hot. Are you tired already? There we go. Oh, you stand up for everybody? Yeah, you're doing it. You're pretty much balanced. You're pretty much balanced. Oh, you lost it. Your legs get a little shaky after about 5 minutes, don't they? Whoops. Okay. Ooh, yes. Big, strong balance. Whoa. Did it catch you there. Look at that. You are going to be walking in days. Yep. Good job. Good job. You looking at Daddy? Look at Daddy. Should stand up straight. You gotta stand up straight. Otherwise you have bad posture. Good job. Good job. Oh, come back up. Yeah.